Bet mo yun, may pausok tayo for today's video. Hi everyone, this is Kiki Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Kitab, Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel again. Gawa natin ito reaction video, ang Kim Pao The Alibay. Tingnan natin kung ano yung makukuha natin mga ayuda sa kanilang taping for today's video. So, once again, longer, let's all watch this.
Dame un grr,
¿Un qué?
un grr,
¿Un qué? ¿Un qué?
un grr,
¿Un qué?
un grr.
On August 2011, Paolo Avellino officially became a kapamilya.
Oh, punoodin natin to Certified Hunk.
Talaga namang tinitilian at pinagkakaguluhan. A captivating talent on television
Captivating
and
talent.
on the screen. And now, he's ready to shine as we welcome him as our new...
He was received with open arms in his new home and got a welcome fit for a rising star.
Let's all welcome our newest kapamilya, Paolo Avellino.
Okay. Oh. Ito yung first performance ata nila. Ay, atake. Atake. Atake silang dalawa. Oh, akala mo naman talaga. Akala mo naman talaga may bukas. Diba? Paloko.
Di ka nagkakasawang tingnan pagkasta na yun.
Look, he was a killer. First time that I saw him, wonder how many girls he had loved and left haunted. But if he's a ghost, then I can be a phantom, holding him for ransom.
Reunited si Kim at Mao.
Dear, wala akong mic. Ang sabi ko, dito dito. Akala ko, may lakad silang dalawa and everything. Wala pala. Charis! Behind the scene pala ito. And excited na talaga ako sa teaser ng The Alibay kung ano talaga yung storyline nito. Sa totoo lang.
Look, he was a
Para ma-debunk na natin. Ang dami ko na kasing problema. Oh, dumagdag pa to. Charis!
But if he's a ghost, then I
Diba?
can be a phantom, holding him for ransom.
Dumagdag pa to. Ay, ano to?
Si Kim at Mao kina FM Reyes at Jojo
FM Reyes.
mga direktor sa drama series na Linlang. Tutok ang buong team sa pagbuo ng kwento at paghimay sa mga bagong karakter.
So may bagong aabangan naman tayo sa Kim Pao.
Okay. Ay, nahaplos talaga. Nahaplos sa likod. Nahaplos sa likod for today's video. Hindi mo kaya. Okay. Na, 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 na. Grabe si Paulo. Parang ang kanta, magandang kanta doon. Put your hand on my shoulder. Ganon. Ganon ang magandang kanta doon eh. Mali naman kayo eh. Charis. Bakit naman kasi mali kayo? Okay. Ay, grabe naman ah. Grabe naman na rips and runs. Okay. Check it out. It's a Milby. Grabe. Ano kayang papel ni sa Milby dito? Pati na si Sofia Andres. Ano kaya ang papel nila dito? Oh, yes! The Alibay never disappoints. And may trailer, Alibay, starring Kim Chu. Ganda naman ng pagkakagawa. Stella Marie. I really love the name. I really love the name Stella Marie. Sa totoo lang. Lakas makababae. Stella Marie.
I hope I never lose you. Stop. You lose me, I go near you. Stop.
Okay.
You lose me. Stop. You lose me never again.
Ay, atake. Atake si Paulo. Gwapo ni Paulo. Gwapo talaga ni Pau. Parang ang galing-galing talaga ni Paulo, no? Okay. Ay, atake. Cebu. Ay, eto na yung mga lumalabas ng mga atake. Ang taray. Anyways, there you go guys. That is it for today's video. Our K-pop compilation. This is K-pop Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!